Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account. Are you thinking about taking a break from Snapchat but don't know how to deactivate your account temporarily? Good thing, Snapchat allows you to deactivate your account for up to 30 days, giving you the option to return whenever you're ready. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account quick and easy. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. On your profile page, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Scroll down to the support and feedback section. Tap on the help center and wait for it to load. In the search bar, type delete my account and tap on the relevant result. Now, the account deletion page will open with information about the activation. Find the tab the Snapchat account portal, which is the blue underlined link. Select delete my account, then enter your Snapchat password. Tap continue to confirm your decision. Your account will remain deactivated for 30 days. During this period, you can reactivate your account anytime by simply logging back in. After 30 days, if you don't reactivate, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account in just a few steps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.